Welcome to Tikaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter cheat code in GTA 5. Now, just open up your game. After that, just go to the offline mode. Just make sure you're in the offline mode of the game because in online it will not work. So, after going to the offline mode, what you need to do is look at your keyboard. Your keyboard will have escape at the top left corner, and just under escape, you'll find the tilde key. That is basically a wavy hyphen. That's called a tilde. Just click on the tilde key. And after that, this cheat code menu will open up. You can type anything here. So, after hitting the tilde key, you'll find this. And in here, you need to type your cheat codes. Now, you can type a variety of cheat codes here depending on what you need. You can change your health, you can change the cop settings, you can change your car settings, you can change everything from here. For example, let's say I want a bike. To get a bike, what I need to type is type rocket and hit enter. And there you go, a bike has spawned for me. And now you can search on Google for more cheat codes in GTA 5. For example, let's say I need a car now. So I'm going to hit on tilde key again. And in here, I'm going to type Comet, C-O-M-E-T, and hit enter. So basically just search on Google for all the cheat codes and you'll get all the cheat codes and just find the ones that you need and you can use them in game. And basically that is how to use cheat codes in GTA 5. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.